SCONDESIGN India Pvt Ltd is a leading provider of wiring design services in Marathahalli, Bangalore. With years of experience in the industry, SCONDESIGN has established itself as a trusted name in the field of electrical design and installation. Their team of highly skilled and experienced professionals is dedicated to providing innovative and efficient wiring solutions to clients across various sectors. When it comes to wiring design, SCONDESIGN understands the importance of precision and efficiency. They take into consideration the unique requirements of each project and ensure that the wiring design is tailored to meet the specific needs of the client. Whether it is a residential building, commercial space, or industrial facility, SCONDESIGN has the expertise to deliver top-notch wiring design solutions. One of the key factors that sets SCONDESIGN apart from its competitors is their commitment to quality. They use only the best materials and adhere to strict industry standards to ensure that their wiring designs are safe, reliable, and durable. Their team of experts conducts thorough inspections and tests to identify any potential issues and rectify them before the installation process begins. SCONDESIGN also takes pride in their exceptional customer service. They believe in building strong and long-lasting relationships with their clients by providing them with personalized attention and support throughout the project. Their team is always available to answer any queries or concerns and provide timely updates on the progress of the wiring design. In conclusion, if you are looking for reliable and efficient wiring design services in Marathahalli, Bangalore, SCONDESIGN India Pvt Ltd is your go-to solution. With their expertise, commitment to quality, and exceptional customer service, they are well equipped to handle all your wiring design needs. Contact SCONDESIGN today for a consultation and take the first step towards a safe and efficient electrical system. When it comes to wiring design in Marathahalli, Bangalore, SCONDESIGN India Pvt Ltd is a leading provider of professional and reliable services. With our expertise and experience in the field, we offer comprehensive solutions for all your wiring needs. Our team of skilled engineers and technicians are well versed in the latest industry standards and practices, ensuring that your wiring design is safe, efficient, and up to code. At SCONDESIGN, we understand the importance of a well-designed wiring system in any residential or commercial space. Whether you are building a new property or renovating an existing one, our team will work closely with you to understand your specific requirements and design a customized wiring solution that meets your needs. We take into account factors such as the layout of the space, power requirements, and future expansion plans to create a wiring design that is efficient and cost-effective. Our expertise extends beyond just the design